Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to set up pre-orders on Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, you have to download Pre-Order Manager from Shopify App Store. So head over to the Shopify App Store and search for Pre-Order Manager. And now to download it, add the app by clicking on the Add App button and then install the app. And after that, approve it. So now check theme and apply pre-order button. So here you see the pre-order button on the product. Now go to the dashboard and see the charts. And now go to the products section and make sure the products must be zero in stock. And then turn on the pre-order button. So after turning on the pre-order button, click on the default settings. And here you will set the changes accordingly, like customization of button message, pre-order dates, and then click on the apply button. So that's how you will set up pre-orders on Shopify. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.